Alright, another product review video for you. Talking batteries. My last video I did on a Believe battery charger. Maybe I'll do I do have a couple different battery chargers in my fleet of chargers here, because I have a lot of vehicles with batteries and work on a lot of things with batteries, so chargers are very important. So are testers, which leads me to my Topdiag TP200. This was a cheap, on Amazon, a cheap battery analyzer that seems to be pretty good. So it has a couple different functions. I'll do one of the functions in this video. And we have to figure out a way here that we can see the screen, because my camera doesn't like it. So let's see here. I don't know how I'm going to do that, because, oh, there we go. We focused in. So we have a DECA part number 775DT that you can see right there. 690 cold cranking amps. This battery is about, oh, there it is, 6 of 20. So this battery here is about a year and a half old, give or take. Okay, so we're gonna do, there's a couple different functions on this tester. You got exit, enter, and it's just very basic on how to operate it. We can scroll down. You can do a quick test, standard test, cranking test. We're going to skip the cranking test. What I like about this battery analyzer, it's very simple and easy, because this will check alternator as well. So we hit enter for standard test. Tells you to make sure the engine is off. We'll click. So you can do cold cranking amps. I don't know, I'll be honest, don't know all of it. Cold cranking amps to me is the most important. So we'll hit that one. So our battery has 690 cold cranking amps. Okay, so we're gonna, oops, we didn't want that. Gonna back that up. We're gonna hit that quick test again. Press enter. We want this key here to get it up to 690. You just push on the up or down button to make it go up. So we want to get up to 690. Alright, and we press enter. Testing. Alright, so for whatever reason, I guess from sitting, the cold, I don't know. This battery here is showing 511 cold cranking amps, and it's saying that it is only at 50%. So impedance, I do believe, I'd have to look it up. This is testing my knowledge even greater, but I do believe it's the ability where this battery is possibly grounding itself out, and I do believe that battery is okay for that number. Don't quote me on that. I will have to look it up and maybe post it in a future video, because I have another battery tester to test as well that's very basic and doesn't go this far. But it actually is saying here that this battery is okay, but it only at a 50% rate, which makes sense. We would want to charge this. So we will throw this on a charger. So let's back out of here. If we can keep the screen in focus. And then we'll show you. Oh, let's get out of that. Press enter, get out of there. Alright, now we want the down button. We'll show you the crank test real quick. So there, we would start the engine. Kind of hard for me to do at the moment, plus this thing is in the garage. So you would start the engine, and there's a couple different analyzations that this will do, and it will actually check your charging system and all. So let's see if we can get out of that. Yep. Let's see if we can scroll down. Nope, that's it. So there's it'll also do charging test, and then it'll also review data. So there, you would turn your lights on, start the vehicle, and then it would actually test your alternator as well. So, but let's exit out of that. We'll exit out of there. Alright, so we'll take it off the battery and reset. But basic bottom line, simple, basic digital battery analyzer. Bought this thing again. I'm a type of person, again, I like reviewing something for a while before I take and give it a review on it. And unfortunately, it is made in China. But so far, I've used this thing pretty well. I just kind of wrapped the terminals up around it and throw it in the drawer of my toolbox. So this thing, I've been using this, I think, like year and a half, maybe 2 years. I give it a big thumbs up, being able to analyze a bunch of batteries throughout my shop and whatever, you know, that I might help somebody out with. So if you're in the market and want to know about your batteries on your vehicle, lawnmower, what have you, I give this thing you know, 5 stars. So if you like the video, click the thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, keep on wrenching.